Hello children, welcome to computer class of 3rd standard. Today we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 6, file management, organization of folders. In the previous session we have discussed the topic creating files. Hope you all have understood that topic. Today we are going to discuss about folders and working with a new folder. Children, in class 2nd you have already done how to create a folder and its different operations. So today also we are going to discuss about folders, how to select a folder and how to open a folder. Before starting the topic, let's discuss important key terms. Number 1, folder. A place where files are stored. Number 2, subfolder. Folder within a folder. Now let's start with the topic. Children, a folder is represented by a folder icon. So on your book at page number 56 you can see different folder icons are given. Like number 1 is folder icon, number 2 subfolder icon, third one is zip folder, and last briefcase. You can mark these icons on your book. Students, a folder can have another folder in it which is called as subfolder. We can create any number of subfolders. Each subfolder can hold any number of files and subfolders. Now let's discuss how to create a new folder on the desktop. Here on page number 57 you can mark the steps to create a new folder. Number 1, right click on blank area on the desktop. Number 2, select new option. Number 3, click on folder option. Number 4, press enter key. Now let's perform these steps practically. So here we are going to create a new folder on the desktop. The very first step is you have to right click on the blank area of desktop. You will see a pop-up menu will appear. From this pop-up menu, second step is select new option. When you will click on new option, a sub-menu will appear. From this sub-menu, click on Folder option and you will see the folder icon will appear on desktop. Here you can see a yellow colored folder icon is there, and last one is press enter key. So in this way you can create a new folder on the desktop. Next is selecting any file or folder. Children, to select a file or folder, simply move the mouse pointer to the required file or folder and click on it. You will see the selected file or folder will be highlighted. In this way, by single clicking on the required file or folder, you can select it. Next topic is opening a folder. Children, to open a folder, move the mouse pointer on the required folder and double click on it. When you will double click on the required file or folder, you will see that folder will open. So children, today we have discussed about creating a new folder, selecting and opening any folder. Hope you all have understood the topic. We will discuss the further topics in next session. Thank you.